Hey you guys, what's up? I've been wanting to record this video since a very long time, but unfortunately my throat betrayed me. I had a very bad throat infection and I could barely speak, and whenever I would speak my voice would crack. In fact, it's still happening a little bit right now, but I'm trying my best to speak to you all with a voice which is as smooth as possible. Yeah, so anyway, I ran another poll on Instagram asking you all if you wanted me to do a product review for a particular skin lotion, a face lotion actually, and I asked you all whether you wanted a video review or a blog post, and most people opted for a video review, so I decided I'd do a video and then probably just plug it into a blog post, so it's a win-win. So anyway, the product I'm reviewing is this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Flawless Skin Lotion. This is actually a sample size of 35 ml. The actual thing is about 190 ml and it's priced at 280 rupees if you buy from the Biotique website. However, if I'm not wrong, you can purchase it from Amazon and other such websites at a discount. I think it's available around 220 rupees, so it's quite affordable. So I have a set skincare regime and it's been recommended by my dermatologist, and I'm very devoted to that routine. But I'm always looking for ways to simplify my life and your lives too. So I thought I would see if this particular product, if I use only this and none of my other creams except for like sunscreen, which is needed because this does not contain any SPF. So yeah, I wanted to see what the effect would be like on my skin, and can I survive with just one product, because honestly that would be the best. It would save me so much time and it would just be so easy to do, it would make my routine less complicated and life much easier. So what I did for one entire week is I continued using the same face wash that I use, which is by Bioderma. It's Bioderma Sebum, and I use that morning and night before I go to sleep. So what I started to do was I started using just this cream after washing my face. Of course, in the daytime I would apply my sunscreen, which is also by Bioderma, after applying this cream, but in the night I would just be using this. Now it says it's a Bio Morning Nectar for flawless skin, and it's for all skin types. So the instructions say apply evenly over cleansed face and neck, morning and evening, wear alone or under makeup. So I guess it works like a good primer for your makeup. I haven't tried using this with my foundation. I generally do mix like my moisturizer with my foundation, like half and half, and then apply it for a more natural look. But I didn't end up doing that with this because I was kind of avoiding as much makeup as possible to see how this would work on me. So yeah, the ingredients in this are, let's see, it's got gehu seed, it's got kumari leaf pulp, madhu, badam seed oil, moongfali seed oil, kusumbi seed oil, and purified water QS. QS is, I think, like lotion base. So generally it's a very natural product. It's organically pure and preservative free, dermatologically tested for safety, and no animal testing, which is great. So all in all, that sounded like an amazing product, and I tried the experiment on my skin, and now I'm going to share the results with you all. So here's the thing, I have combination skin. It's my forehead and my nose and like near my chin. This entire area tends to get quite oily, while the rest of it is quite normal to dry. So in the winters though, it was getting very dry and my creams weren't really working. And Mumbai winters, yes, it's not that cold, but it does get quite dry and it does affect your skin and your hair. So I wanted to see if this product would somehow help me restore all the natural oils to my skin. Now the packaging, it has a round cap which you can turn, and got this tiny hole. So the packaging is great, you don't end up spilling the product or wasting too much. So anyway, the first time I tried it, it felt quite greasy and quite heavy, but I reduced the amount I was using, and honestly, because my skin was dry, it was feeling great. So it was great the first few days. I noticed that if I was getting any like little bits of acne, which I do because of hormonal changes, every woman does, those would like disappear within 1 to 2 days. Although yes, I do use tea tree oil to get rid of acne, but in this case, I don't know, I think this cream was also sort of supporting it and helping my skin to be clear most of the time. And I think clear skin is always the goal. You need to have a great complexion for any kind of makeup to look good, or even on a general basis, we don't really wear makeup all the time. So it's great when your skin looks flawless. So talking more about the product, it's a white color lotion. It's got medium consistency. God, my throat still annoying me. Anyway, so it's got medium consistency, so it's not too thin or too watery, neither is it really like thick, but like I said, it is a bit greasy, so you need to alter the amount that you're using based on how your skin is. Another thing that I thought was, it can be a pro and a con. It has a very strong fragrance. It's an Ayurvedic cream. It has Ayurvedic ingredients, so of course it's going to have a strong fragrance. Now I didn't mind that too much, although I'm sure there are people out there who have a sensitive nose, or who are allergic to certain kinds of strong fragrances, and this may not really work for them. In fact, when I started getting this cold and throat infection, the smell of this started to bother me. So yeah, that is one thing that is, I don't know, it could be a con, it could be a pro, depending on your personal preferences. Now it definitely moisturizes your skin, it deeply moisturizes it. You feel like your skin is supple and smooth, and it's great for winters. But generally through the summers and through monsoons, I don't know how good this product could be. I'm gonna try and use it again and let you all know. But I was very happy with the result in the winters. However, the other seasons I need to check. If any of y'all have used it during summer, monsoon, or whatever, autumn, which we don't really have. But yeah, if you have, then tell me how was your experience with it. I would love to know. Just to recap the pros, it's an excellent moisturizer, especially for dry skin. It says all skin types, but I recommend it mostly for dry skin or combination skin, which tends to get dry, really dry in certain areas. You could probably just use it around the areas that get too dry. Although again, that's kind of making your life more complicated. Again, use like 2-3 creams. So I don't know, I have mixed opinions about that. Other than that, yes, it does repair skin. I saw my acne disappearing faster with this, so I was quite happy with that. And I just saw my life becoming so much easier because I wasn't spending that much time on using one product after another for my morning and evening skincare routine. What's great about it is that it's organic and has all natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about that. It's an ethical product. Of course, again, another advantage that I forgot is that it's affordable. Who doesn't love a good, affordable cream which makes your life easier and makes your skin smoother? What they could have done though to make this product better is they could have added SPF, and the fragrance could have been a little lighter. Generally, people prefer a cream that has the least amount of fragrance possible. And that's actually the best, because you don't want it to kind of mix with the perfume you're using, or you're just sensitive to certain fragrances. So yeah, I mean, you always prefer when your skincare is fragrance free or has a light fragrance to it. I like the fragrance to be strong in general, but this this was kind of bothering me during my cold cough period. But the good thing is the fragrance does fade after a few minutes of applying it, so I mean, it's something that you can bear with. So the best part I feel is, Biotique is a reliable Ayurvedic brand. I've seen my mom using their hair products, and this was the first time that I used a skin product by Biotique, and actually I really did like it. and I was actually quite sure that it wouldn't harm my skin in any way because it's all natural at the end of the day. So yeah, that's pretty much my review on the Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Flawless Face Lotion. What is it? It's Flawless Skin Lotion. I'm guessing you could probably use this on your body too, not just your face, because it has that kind of consistency which could work for your body too. But I stuck to just using it on the face because the instructions said so. And yeah, feel free to experiment with it and tell me how you feel about it. So I'm keeping it simple today with just one product review. I know you guys really enjoy product reviews, so that's what I'm trying to do more of. And I will be back with another product review. I'm very excited about this one, and I'm not going to reveal it to you yet, so you just have to wait and watch. And in the meantime, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Leave a comment letting me know if there's anything else you want me to do and what you thought about this review. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe already. I do videos on skincare, on makeup, on fashion, and if you guys want me to venture and do something more lifestyle related, then tell me and I will definitely try my best to do it. And click on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. Share the video if you like the review, with your friends and family. I will be back soon. Until next time.